Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to set a reminder in Outlook in 2026. Okay, the first thing that you should do is simply go and open the Outlook application on your PC. Then you want to go and click on the calendar icon on the left side right here, the second option. Then you want to choose the day that you want to create your appointment in. And after that, you want to go and click on new appointment from the taskbar on the top right here. After that, you want to select a title, and you can change if you need it all day or if you want to change the time zone. Here you can add the start and end time. After you add the start and end time, you can simply go here and click on show as and choose whatever status that you want to be shown on your status. And then you can go and set a reminder by clicking on reminder and choose when do you want to set the reminder. And now you can simply click on Control+J or recurrence. Just click on it, and here it will show you more and more details. You can do a recurrence pattern to this meeting. You can make it daily, you can make it weekly, and when you make it weekly, you can choose which days do you want it to be repeated on. So let's say that I have chosen Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And then you have the end by. You can choose between end by and the number of recurrences or occurrences. And once you are done, click on OK and click on save and close. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.